Hello, friends. It's Chad from Colorado Giants. It's been another week of projects. Today is May 13th. Time for the weekly update on what we got going on, not only in the greenhouse, but just kind of around the property in general. Got some cool things I'm working on this year. Not just giant pumpkins. I'm branching out like I always do. But stay tuned. We'll go outside. We'll talk about some things. We'll talk about some stuff, and then we'll come back in here. Be right back. Things outside are looking pretty darn good. Max is cleaning up a little fort area that he kind of made. This is the old chicken coop that's now gone. I got the cattle panels extended, and Emily is driving the tractor around with two children inside the tractor. There's Charlotte, age 4, and Spencer, about 9 months. So they are gonna, I'm not sure if they're gonna do it or they're gonna want me to do it. Yep, they're gonna want me to do it. But we're gonna rip out the last of the old chicken coop, and this is where the pigs are kind of gonna go. So I've got some work to do real fast. I'll be right back. We're back over here checking on Maxwell. What you doing, Maxwell?
Doing some pull-ups.
Doing some pull-ups. 217.
I haven't done even one yet.
Talk louder, I can't hear you.
I haven't done even one
Not
yet.
even one. How was soccer today? What'd you do in soccer today?
Score a goal.
Nice. And then this area, I don't remember if I've said it before, but the pigs will be on the other side of the fence, and then right here, once I get all this junk into the trash pile, this is going to be the gourd tunnel. I'm going to orient it this way so we can see it while we're there. Get from here to here will be gourd tunnel. It'll be gorgeous. Let's look at the greenhouse. Oh, hi. Here we go. So while the kids dig for worms, still have to clean up a little bit, and I've started, you'll notice the area looks kind of muddy and unmulched. Over the last 5 years, the mulch has broken down, and I've started the process of remulching this area. So an ongoing project, right, Spencer? Ongoing projects. We're almost done with this project. Emily has been helping me a lot with this, thankfully, with the direct supervision of Spencer. The garlic's looking good. Onions are looking good. Not tomatoes. Those aren't tomatoes. Potatoes are popping up. We've got tomatoes. I need to stake the tomatoes, like, after I do this. Don't let me forget. Tomatoes that got a little leggy because the light went out. Planted with beets and carrots, strawberries, Swiss chard, beans, zucchini, kale, broccoli, celery, cucumber, lettuce, pickling cucumber, all of our peppers, and then I think we have cilantro back there, basil, cabbage, basil, the other green thing. No, that was pole beans.
No, bush beans.
Bush beans. That's cilantro. And then we're going to do a row of corn, and then watermelons are back here. Is that right?
I think so.
Yeah, so corn will direct seed. What? Oh, he wants me to say we're going to go check on Max. So then corn, we're going to direct plant that soon. I need to do that soon. And then the watermelons will just grow over here. So I think it's the perfect size garden. What do you think, Emily?
think it may have gone a little Chad new on the garden, but we'll see.
I think it's makes Spencer happy, smiling about it.
Do you like vegetables? I hope so, because we're going to have a lot of vegetables.
Or watermelon, corn. I like cabbage. I like basil, cilantro. It's only things that we like. You have the Swiss chard and the kale. Everything else is children and dad approved. So this is looking pretty cool. I'm happy with that. Did I go, large? Yeah, but I wanted to fill the space that we have. And hold on, we got to go check on Maxwell. So we got that all squared away. Got the last of the old fence taken care of. And show you. Got that all taken care of, so looks good. Back drug it a little bit. I'll get a shovel out and clean that up after I got the forks on the tractor now. I'll stab all that and put it to the trash pile. But Charlotte, what are you doing?
I'm finding a lot of worms.
How many worms do you have in there?
A lot.
There is a lot of worms in there. Another one right there. There's a piece of worm. There are a lot of worms in there.
Also, I found a roly-poly.
The roly-poly. Where are you going to do those? Where are you going to put them?
In my pot where...
No, where are you supposed to put all the worms you find?
In the dirt.
In the greenhouse by the pumpkins?
Yes. I'm going to put them in the greenhouse with all of the pumpkins. So worms can help our pumpkins grow.
Inception. Video over video. This is Spencer, if you haven't met Spencer. Spencer has 5 tooths now. And is 9 months old. A corn cob. So if you haven't seen Spencer in a while, he's getting big.
Still the sweetest baby ever.
So got that squared away. Let me show you the garden. And in the greenhouse, these are the giant tomatoes, what's left in here, the watermelons, and all the gourds. All the gourds I'm still germinating, but lots of gourds, some backup pumpkin plants that if you're in Denver and you need a plant, let me know. I've got 2. We'll talk about one. So the greenhouse is looking really good. I've got this side weeded and leveled. I just gotta unroll the weed fabric over here. 1783 new is looking great. It is ahead of last year. I did make the decision that stump right there from its previous roommate was getting too big. I would say we've got probably, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 days left. What you doing, sweetie? Come put them in this one. Tell us what you're doing.
I'm putting this worm into there.
Okay. Okay. And how about put all those ones in there too? Just drop them in.
No, I want to put one each at a time.
Okay.
Whoa.
Worms are getting a ride. My pretty princess in her dress digging for worms. So I got... Oh, I need to open that all the way. I got the hoses installed. The water's working. Wet wall is working. Charlotte continues to fling worms. Let's check over here on this one. The other side will look like this once I'm done. 2144 Baron. Crumbs, I forgot. I need to take the hot hut off. Like right now, actually. When I'm done with the video, I'm taking that off. What, sweetheart?
I got one on the green step.
You got one on one of the leaves? Okay. You're putting it in there?
Yeah. Go on.
Well, you should try to get it on the dirt, not on the leaf.
Right.
Good job. And then last, the green squash. To pick up my piles of weeds. But just busy. I will help Mr. Worm out. And the green squash. Obviously, bringing up the rear end. I admittedly am a bit concerned about this. It's just not as vigorous as the pumpkin plants, and I don't have the experience to know if that is if that's just the squash genetics because they're not as vigorous and strong as the pumpkins, or are they just a little bit slower? I have a 1976 that I'm really thinking about planting like next to it, or maybe over there, and letting them grow towards one another, and kind of whoever does a little bit better can be the winner. Don't dig in right there, sweet pea. Just cover up the worms. So yeah, what else? Really not a whole heck of a lot. The weather's been pretty good. Thankfully, it's not, we'll have some 40s at night. But now I have the shutters on the back of the greenhouse we talked about. Hey, sweetheart, don't do that, please. That shut that off. And I have another thermostat coming that will actually shut off the pump at night. So the wet wall will be completely down at nighttime, which will help keep this warmer when I want it and cooler when I want it. I'm still working on organizing all this. I've kind of got this squared away so it's nicer, neater, more organized. Everything that's in a jug, I'm trying to make it just as easy as possible for me to do. So like things that were in 5-gallon buckets, my Neptune's Harvest. Now, hey, no ma'am, get off of that. Now is in these little jugs that have the tap on them. All of my stuff, my borax, CalMag, Epsom salts, calcium nitrate, it's all in buckets, like easily visible buckets with my dosage on there. And then I'll get all this cleaned up. So I think that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Sweetheart, please get out of there. Leave the worms alone. Put the worm back. That's where he lives now. Kids, am I right? So that's all I got today for this week. Leave it alone. No more. Quit running your hands through your hair with your worm dirt hands. Okay? Mom said go inside. It's time for a shower. I was unsure, but now I am sure. It is shower night. That's all I got. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you have questions. I'll get to it at some point. We'll talk to you soon. See ya. Oh, get out there and grow yourself a giant pumpkin. Bye.